Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cut videos in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to do it, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now choose the video option. Here, click on New to create a new project. Now, select Videos to add it to your timeline. And click here to add it to your timeline. Now, to cut the videos, simply select the videos and choose the frame where you want to cut the video. For example, I want to cut the video right here. Now, scroll on the menu and you'll see the split option. Click on it. And we made a cut on it. And save the part that you want in your video and delete the ones you don't want in your video. Just like this. Similarly, we'll repeat the process for the another one and make a cut right here by clicking on split and delete the rest of it. Similarly, we'll do the same for the another one. Split and delete. And now if we play our video, it'll look like this. And just like this, we can make cuts in videos in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.